I'm Andrew Evenoff, Senior Service Advisor with Hurlburt Heating and Plumbing. Today I just want to take a moment to talk to you guys about UV lights for air sanitization. UV technology has been around for a long time. I know a lot of people use it in the food sanitization industry, also the medical equipment sanitization industry, and also us HVAC contractors have been using it to purify customers' air. Which a lot of people don't know that's available. So just want to explain a little bit more about this technology to you guys. What it does is going to mount directly on your supply plenum, and that's going to sit above your furnace. And so it's just a cover like this. On the back side of the cover, there's actually a UV bulb, which is going to be glowing all the time. And so any air that passes through that UV bulb is going to get sanitized. The way this works is similar to when you're walking through a forest and you only see moss on one side of a tree. The side without the moss is usually the side that the sun's hitting. And so as air passes through, it's going to kill all mold, bacteria, it's going to kill all viruses. I know the flu virus was a huge epidemic last year, so it'll actually kill the flu virus as it passes through. Also, for air conditioning months, when you turn your air conditioner, if you're getting that musty smell when you turn your air conditioner, you probably have a lot of mold and growth in there, because what happens in dark, damp spaces is mold's going to grow on your coil. And so the UV lights do a great job of making sure you're keeping your air conditioning coil clean, and so you're not distributing that mold throughout your house. Also, it's going to make sure your air conditioner is running at peak efficiency, because if you do get the buildup around your coils, it acts like a can koozie around a pop can. It doesn't allow for the correct condensation that you need for your air conditioner to run efficiently. And so overall, as far as the efficiency standpoint of your system and a health standpoint for you and your family, these UV lights are a great option. They do a great job. If you want more information on these, please let us know. Again, I'm Andrew Evenoff with Hurlburt Heating and Plumbing.